Hi everybody and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log back into your old Cash App account, even if you forgot your email and phone number. Guys, it's not straightforward, but there's a workaround to regain access. Let's dive in. First, ensure you're logged out of any Cash App accounts on your phone to avoid conflicts. Open the Cash App. Download it from the App Store or Google Play if needed. On the login screen, you'll be prompted for an email or phone number. If you remember any old details, enter them. Cash App will send a verification code to that contact. Input the code to log in. If it works, you're back in. But what if you don't have access to the old email or number? No worries, you can still recover it. Open Cash App and tap the profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll to Support and select something else. Look for Can't Access Old Account and choose Contact Support. You'll be prompted to send an email to Cash App's team. Provide as much info as possible. Your full name, date of birth, the last 4 digits of your social security number, and details of recent transactions or linked bank accounts. This helps verify your identity. Unique tip: include any old Cash App usernames or cash tags you remember in your email to speed up the process. After submitting, Cash App support will guide you, possibly requesting ID like a driver's license. It may take a few days, but they can merge your old account with a new one, consolidating funds and transactions. If you hit issues, double-check your details for accuracy or call 1-800-969-1940 for support. Patience is key. By the way, if you're looking for a smarter alternative to Cash App, I strongly recommend Wise. I use it myself. It's hands down one of the best ways to send money, whether it's within the US or to friends and family overseas. Right now, they're running an exclusive offer. Sign up using the link below, and your first transfer, up to $800, is completely free, with 0 fees. Wise consistently beats banks and other payment services on fees and exchange rates, and the reviews speak for themselves. Best part? Creating an account is 100% free and takes just a few minutes. So if you want to save money every time you send money, click the link in the description, create your free Wise account, and grab your free $800 transfer today.